Let me show you how to add a printer in Raspberry Pi. You go to Preferences. From there you go and select Printers. Here we have one printer already installed. To add a new printer, you click in Add Printer button, and then we're going to select the printer that we want to install. Remember to be connected on the internet because the drivers are going to be pulled from the internet if they are not local on the Raspberry Pi. So we have already one installed. We're going to choose the first one and install it also. Click on Add. The system will try to find the drivers for that printer and install the printer. There you go, just showing ready. Now on the printer, go to Options, and here you can find the different options available. You can print in double side. You click over here and select long edge if that's the one that you want. Also, there are other options available that you may explore and see if these options are the one that you are looking for. Example, the paper size, paper sources tray, paper type. Once you have selected all your parameters, if you want, you can print a test page or just close. To remove a printer, you click in the same option, go to the printer that you want to delete, select Option and Remove Printer. Then click OK and it will be gone. So the printer has been installed. Now what we're going to do, we're going to create a document. Normally for Raspberry Pi and Linux there is a package similar to the Office package. It's called OpenOffice. Here is no install, but even if you don't have it installed, you can go to the internet and find a free version of MS Word. You can use your account on Microsoft and use the free version of Word from Microsoft. It will ask you to log in with your account in order to be able to use the online free version. You click on Create a Document and then it will ask you to log in. Enter the email and then your password, and you will be okay to start creating a document. Also, if you don't want to use the Microsoft account, you can do Google Docs. Also, the same, it will ask you for an access to log in with your email and your password. In this example, I'm logging in with the Microsoft account and open MS Word. We're going to create a document to test the printer and to test the option double side. So it's open. Now I'm going to insert a picture. Maybe a text or maybe anything, but to do this test, I'm going to insert two pictures, one on each page. So let's do, choose an apple. Apple is okay. You can select one of many options that we have over here. Let's select this one. And then we click Insert. Now we move to the second page and insert another image. click on insert, then select the option for picture, and let's do insert another picture. We're going to search. Let's do search for a dog. I want to insert an image of a dog on the second page. Okay, let's select this one and insert. Click on insert, and there you go. So we have one image on each page. Now we're going to print. When you click on print, it will display the options for doing the printing. But as you can see in these options displayed, there is no option for double side. To get the option of printing on double side, we're going to click on print using system. Yeah, this one. Let's select this one because we need to select the option for printing one side A, side B. So we're going to have on the same sheet 2 images. Okay, so that's 1 and this is 2 on the same sheet. So front and back. So there you have it for printing, adding a printer, creating a document, and selecting the double side printing on a Raspberry Pi. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like it, and I'll see you in the next video.